Right.
Right, just before we get underneath this car, come here, shake off your preconceptions, OK? Forget about it. I know it's a Mondeo, but get underneath this car and see it as being something which nobody else has bothered to save. Go.
Oh, I'm through. Spare wheel well, I'm through.
Oh, yeah, right, OK.
Hold on, there's one big thing at the back here.
I cannot see the bumper, so I'm missing a bumper.
That's right. Now, those bumpers degrade really badly. They go very brittle, and they're very, very hard to find.
They made 5 million of them. Parts are not going to be a problem. Carry on looking.
Hold on, nobody wants parts for these,
I'm not
so
listening.
nobody sells parts for these. When they got to the end of their lives, because they were unremarkable cars, they went off to the crusher.
That is actually quite scary, Fuzz.
And you've made a difficult task even more difficult, because now we've got to turn it into a touring car.
I don't care what you say, we are not going back. We're not reneging on that.
Right, OK, so let me tell you how it's going to work. We're not replacing the engine with a rinky-dink V6 with drive shafts going through it and all that kind of stuff, as on the touring cars. I'm going to deal with
That's the beating heart of the touring car, Fuzz. That matters.
That's right, but we're not making an actual touring car. We're making a lookalike. So what we have to do is deal with what we've got. That's it. You're not touching the engine.
OK. See about that.